Faith is taking the first step, even if you don't see this whole staircase. Martin Luther King Jr. Stop. If you want to learn how to get $15,000 in bonuses that will explode your business and anybody else's business that you can give away to your team, then you want to stay to the end of this video. And I'm going to show you exactly how to get these free bonuses and what our team site and what our bonuses really mean. So stay to the end. Now let's get it. Affiliate Mentor Compensation Plan. Let's go. So the first bonus when you join our team at the all-in level is the Team Traffic Rotator. The Team Solly's training site, and then the access to John Solly. Now, what do these bonuses mean? I'm going to go into the compensation plan and why you can get started for just $50 and you get an amazing video training for you and your team. But I'm going to explain exactly all of these. But these are the team's bonuses for going all in. And why would you want to go all in? See, you're not passing up sales. Hey, I'm perfectly fine with you passing up sales if that's what's good for you. If you want to start with $50, start. Just start. But if you get an all-in sale, it is going to get passed up to me because I'm all in. So the Team Traffic Rotator, how that works, and the first person that gets in with me or is put in with me from my coach with his rotator, they're going to get an amazing value because I'm going to take that $220 that I'm going to explain later in the video, and I'm going to put it all into traffic. All the $220, and I'll explain how that $220 comes about, goes to my traffic rotator. So that means I'm splitting all my leads, any sales with one person, whoever goes all in first. And then when the second person is, well, there'll be 3 people in the rotator, et cetera, et cetera. So not only going to put you in the rotator and give you done for you leads, traffic, and sales, but we're also going to build your own rotator. Remember, the sooner you get started, the less links to the rotator, which means more sales for you. Bonus 2, $29.97. Now the first value is $9,997. The Team Solly's training site, $29.97 value. When you get started on Team Solly, you get access to the Free Mortars Academy, which is training designed by team leader JT to help you generate free traffic and leads for your business. We are going to give it to you as a free gift so you know exactly how you build your online business, how to build your online business fast. This is the only training you'll ever need to build an online business. Now we're going to give it to you and your team. And we're going to help them. And we're going to help you. And you're going to be the sought after person. We're going to build a site that's branding you with your video in it. So, and show you exactly how to make that video. Access to John Solly is $19.97 value, bonus 3. When you take massive action today, John Solly is ready to coach you and help you get your business profitable. The amazing part about this is that our team leaders will coach you and your team and your team's team, and so on. You simply need to follow the step-by-step instructions, and our team leader will coach your downline to duplicate. So we're going to build you a clone army, and all you got to do is plug them into us. Team value, total team value, bonus value, $14,991. Now, I'm going to show you a little bit about the first page. This is what you get when you join just at the $50 level. This is enough training to get massive success with any business. More than enough success. Because I took the very first step and I ranked every single video that I put on YouTube ever since I took this training. Including this one, which is my second one all by myself. I'm going to show you real quick. Team Affiliate Mentor. And I'm going to show you that so many of our members are ranking too. Team bonuses. Okay. Now, I would show you an incognito mode. Okay, this is YouTube. Sorry. I need to go to YouTube. All right. Now, affiliate mentor, team bonuses. Let's go. There it is. All right. That's a member of our team, Mr. Orange Dream. So is Postcard Lifestyle. So is Postcard Lifestyle. So Postcard Lifestyle. And there's me. Team bonuses 3 weeks ago. My second video. This is done all by myself without my team leader showing me. And that's another member of our team. And then another team. And he made this video right here. This one and this one for Michael De La Cruz. He made them for other people and put their links inside. So if you're not seeing the value of this team, I don't know what to tell you. So I'm going to take you to one more thing. Because he shows you actually how to do, let me see, YT. Bear with me. Make shorts too. He just added that last week. How to make shorts that can go viral. I'm going to sort by shorts. Content. Shorts. Okay. Type. These are just my shorts. Apply. Now, not everyone's going to get pushed by YouTube. Okay. This one wasn't, but you can erase them after 48 hours and put them back and then re-upload them. Because sometimes it just doesn't catch in the algorithm for whatever reason. Maybe YouTube's slow. Maybe they pushed it to the wrong people. There's a person that I was watching the video. He got 6 million hits, but his first video after 48 hours, excuse me, only had like 46 hits. But he re-uploaded the same video, used a different title, and got 6 million hits, and it was his most popular video. Here's the very first one I did, right? Boom. 1,800 views. And they're watching 110% of it. So, yeah. And that was the very first video I did with his training. And the next one, 1.5K. There's another 1K. 14, 285, 1.2. So 1,200, 608, 226. And the most recent video I put was 18 hours ago. This is only an 18-second video. Some of these are only 9 seconds. The most popular is only 9 seconds. And you can learn how to make these shorts that can go viral. And basically, they're cut and paste. You're just using a sound and certain text and making it, branding it to you. You can make tons of these each day. Okay? And we have exactly the step-by-step process with a video on how to do it. And I want to show you something more before I go to the compensation plan. Okay? One more thing. All right. All right. So make your first YouTube video, right? The video is 33 minutes long. Just making the video. Everything you need to do. The steps. Copy and paste simple. Now I'm going to go into the plan, the compensation plan. And some of this is real easy to explain. Okay, so I'm going to use the calculator for first steps. Okay. It costs $50 to get in. Now, what do you get for $50? An amazing amount of content, including what the best way is to get traffic from experts in the field, live trainings, etc., etc. You also can get paid even if nobody buys from you. You can get paid per click, 10, 20, or even 30 cents per click. Now, what do you get for $50 also? Every time somebody joins you, you get $20 a month. Now, you get 50 people in a month, you got $1,000. That's 50 times $20 a month, $1,000 a month. This can get real, on the very first level, this can get real powerful real quick. So, on the core annual, which is $397, you get not one annual, but you get 2 years. They give you another year free. So you can get, for $397, you get paid $200. And what I tell you about the rotator, putting you in the rotator, that's $200 plus 20, And that's how much I get if somebody pays for core and core annual. And why would they pay for core annual? So you don't have to pay monthly subscription like Netflix. So you're saving money, a lot of money. So $220, and I take that $220 and go all in. I'm sorry, you're all in and buy traffic with the money. For exactly $220, I'm gonna buy traffic, leads, and sales for you and me. And then as I add people, there's going to be more and more people in the rotator. But the first one, the smartest one, will get all this value. It's going to be the $15,000 in bonuses, which will explode any business. Any online business, you need traffic. And that's what Affiliate Mentor is, the traffic gurus. But also, our training will build a clone army of people that you do not have to train. They can meet also for 2 hours a day online. And guess what? If you can't make that 2-hour training live 6 days a week, he'll work with you like he does with me and meet you after work. Now, how does VIP work? Now, VIP is $297 and it uses a cycler. And I know a cycler kind of sucks. What do you get when you cycle? You get $750. Now, $750, pretty good, right? But one of the drawbacks is you have to pay $250 to get back in the cycler. That's still $500 every single time you cycle. Now, how do you cycle? Give me a second. All right, so this is you. And this is your first 2 people. And we're going to help you get those people, right? And these are your 4 others. Take 6 people to cycle. And then you get $500. And I explained that earlier. $750 minus $250 to get back in the cycler, and you can earn another $500 over and over again. Again, the cycler kind of sucks. I get it. Who wants to get paid only when you get 6 people? But we're going to help you, obviously. But who wants to get paid like that? Nobody, pretty much. Fucking nobody, all right? But we also have the core, $20 a month. And I told you, 50 people, you got $1,000. $20 a month for every single person that joins you. And we have the core annual, which means $200 every single time somebody upgrades and doesn't want to pay a subscription. So that's $220, which I'm going to take, and the recommended strategy is take that and put it into traffic. That's free traffic. You want to keep putting the money into your business and build your list until you make $5,000 a month. Now, who can quit their job after they're making $5,000 a month? Me, a lot of people, right? $5,000 a month, and it's only going to get bigger and better from there. We have the best bonuses. We have the best team. We have the best training. You want to be with us. We can teach you. Give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish, and you feed him for a lifetime. We could teach you how to build any single business, and get better yet, for those 2-hour training, you will learn how to not only build this business, but any business you want. And you will have a clone army of people that are trained how to build their business. You want to be on our team. You need to be on our team. Or you can keep banging your head and doing the same thing you have been doing over and over again. How's that working for you? Or you're just looking for another income stream? Everybody needs traffic. If you can't get consistent eyeballs to your offers, to your pages, hopefully to a branded funnel, you are not going to consistently make money. We're going to teach you how to rank on YouTube with every single video like I've been doing, and everybody that's following our training. All you got to do is be consistent. And the more you do it, the faster you get. This is JJ Saddle, aka John Sally, aka your friendly neighborhood settlement. Don't delay. Get with Jay today. Team Affiliate Mentor Compensation Plan. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.